Welcome to Shorts and Reels video editing with CapCut. Get ready to embark on a creative journey where you will learn the art of crafting captivating short videos and reels with the powerful editing tool CapCut. Whether you are an aspiring content creator, social media enthusiast, or simply eager to enhance your editing skills, this course is designed to equip you with knowledge and technique to bring your ideas to life. Join us as we explore the fundamental of video editing, discover advanced editing tricks, and uncover the secret of creating engaging content that stands out in the digital world. Get ready to unleash your creativity and transform your vision into stunning visual story. Welcome aboard. In this course, you will learn the basic skills you need to edit your short video content, like the reels for Facebook and Instagram, and shorts for YouTube and TikTok. With these skills, you will make your video dynamic, attractive, and suitable for the platform you're uploading them and for your potential viewers and followers. You will learn how to organize your folder properly and proper naming style of your files. You'll be able to set up the editing environment of the software, which includes importing of your media files, the video, the audio, image, and the likes. Also, you will learn how to synchronize and combine your video clip and externally recorded audio. You will be able to mute the sound of the video clip so that you have the externally recorded audio speaking. You will be able to use basic editing techniques like cutting, trimming, and arranging your media files in the timeline. You will learn how to resize your clips for the platform you're uploading them and for the purpose you need them. You will learn how to add text and graphics. You'll be able to use the auto caption of the editing software, whereby the AI of the software will automatically caption or subtitle your audio. And you'll be able to create thumbnails and export your video with the right setting. The above mentioned skills are part of the process known as the post-production process. These skills are applicable to all video editing software, and the selected editing software for this course is the CapCut. We'll be using the desktop version of the CapCut, not the mobile version. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to set up the editing environment of video editing software, CapCut. See you in the next video.